Hey everyone, we're delving into the remarkable ASUS Zenbook S14 with AI enhancements today. This laptop, which was just released with state-of-the-art AI technology, is a new breed in the Copilot PC class since it is innovative and incredibly versatile. The Zenbook S14 has a distinctive design made of Ker-aluminum, a material that combines aluminum and ceramic, which makes it incredibly thin and light. This aerospace-inspired alloy, which comes in two sophisticated colors, white and gray, meets the EMIL STD-810H military endurance requirement in addition to having a high-end appearance and feel. The S14 can accommodate many displays and external devices thanks to its 4 USB-C connections, HDMI 2.1, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. You're looking at a connectivity powerhouse when you combine it with the immersive audio provided by the Harman Kardon quad speaker system. The laptop's full-size keyboard features precisely spaced buttons for a comfortable typing experience. Its ErgoSense touchpad facilitates simple motions, making it possible to control brightness, volume, and even video with a finger swipe, a perfect combination for work and play. The ASUS AI Sense Full HD camera on the Zenbook S14 is a noteworthy feature. It supports Windows Hello for quick and safe access. This cutting-edge AI capability also extends to video calling, where features like audio-to-text, automatic captioning, and real-time visual upgrades facilitate more productive remote work. A bright 14-inch OLED 3K display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a maximum brightness of 500 nits in HDR mode is a highlight of the Zenbook S14. Rich colors and visual comfort are provided by its 100% DCI-P3 coverage, VESA display HDR True, Black 500 certification, and blue light suppression, making it perfect for both streamers and creators. The potent Intel Core Ultra 7-257V processor and Intel Arc graphics are located under the hood. It provides excellent performance for jobs like graphic design, programming, and video editing, when paired with a 1TB SSD and 32 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM. Even under heavy loads, a special honeycomb cooling system with more than 2,700 microvents guarantees steady performance while reducing noise levels to only 25 decibels. Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 provide lightning-fast data rates and the ability to connect to many devices at once. Microsoft's Copilot AI assistant is integrated inside the Zenbook S14 as a Copilot PC, providing customers with strong productivity tools, including real-time captioning and eye contact correction during video conversations. You can operate more efficiently and intuitively than ever before with these AI features. The 72 watt-hours battery of the Zenbook S14 is designed to last, providing up to 27 hours of operation. With a cycle life rating of 10,000 cycles, 200 cycles above the industry average, fast charging can get the battery up to 60% in less than 50 minutes, which is a true lifesaver during power outages. The ASUS Zenbook S14 redefines what a laptop can achieve with its combination of solid performance, AI-driven functionality, novel materials, and a stylish appearance. This laptop is a good option for anyone looking for power, convenience, and style. It's perfect for work, play, and everything in between. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.